Hello everyone, my name is Shelly Rajput and you are watching DesignGoRhythm. Team Gorythm, today we are going to dive into how you can smoothly run Adobe Premiere Pro right on your iPad. As you know, I absolutely love iPad-centric creative workflows, so let's explore how to get the absolute maximum out of this app. First, let's look at how you can grab this with a massive student-teacher discount. Head over to the Adobe's official website. Navigate to Plans and Pricing and click on the Student and Teachers option. Here you will see that Creative Cloud Pro is available for just Rs 398 per month, which includes over 20 Adobe apps. Simply verify your eligibility with your student or teacher ID, create your account and then install Adobe Premiere AI Video Editor from the App Store. Log in with those same details and let's open the app. As soon as you open the app, you are greeted with a very clean interface. You will see your previous projects and a few ready-made templates for things like YouTube Shorts or lifestyle videos. But we are going to start fresh by clicking the plus button at the bottom. Select your video clips from your gallery and hit next. Your footage will drop right onto the main timeline. Before we start editing, setting the aspect ratio is crucial. I am choosing 16:9 for this YouTube tutorial. The editing process is incredibly intuitive. The moment you select a clip, the entire editing panel opens up at the bottom. If you need to cut out an extra part, just move the playhead to that exact point and hit split. You can simply drag the edge of the unnecessary section to trim it down. If you want to speed up a clip, select it and go to the speed option. You can fast forward it to 2x, 5x or even 100x. Conversely, if you want a sleek slow motion effect, just drag the slider below 1x. A video is incomplete without great audio. You can jump into music and audio. From here you can pull music from Adobe stock, upload your own copyright-free tracks from your files or even generate brand new sound effects using Adobe Firefly AI. For a direct voiceover, just hit the mic button. Hello everyone, my name is Shelly Rajput and you are watching DesignGoRhythm. आज हम AutoCAD के अंदर किस तरीके से एक आइसोमेट्रिक व्यू क्रिएट किया जा सकता है वो बनाना यहाँ पर देख रहे हैं. इसको मैं स्टॉप कर देती हूँ. But my absolute favorite feature here is Enhance Audio. If your recording has background noise, a single click cleans it up and balances the level to give you a perfect, natural, studio quality sound. It saves so much time. Now let's talk about text. By adding a text, you can fully customize the font, color and layout. I usually use and adjust the size or rotation right on the screen. But auto caption is the real game changer. If your video has a voiceover, simply click Create Captions. In just a few seconds, the app will automatically generate highly accurate subtitles for your entire video. If you want to layer one video on top of another for a picture-in-picture effect, select your clip and hit Move Up. Now just drag and resize it into the corner of your screen. There is also a highly impressive Remove Background tool built right in. Without needing any green screen, a single click removes the background smoothly, giving you a remarkably clean and professional result on the fly. If your footage is looking a bit dull, you can jump into filters to apply quick, warm or cool tones. Alternatively, head over to the Adjust tab to manually dial in your exposure, contrast, shadows and temperature. To keep the flow smooth between cuts, transitions are key. Just tap the point where two clips meet and you can apply great effects like a zoom out or a dissolve. Now let's talk about perfecting your audio mix. You can easily control the volume of any individual clip by selecting it and simply dragging the volume slider at the bottom. A great bonus about this app is how it syncs with the entire Adobe ecosystem. If you ever want to jump onto your laptop for heavy color grading or ultra complex edits later, you can just open the same project there. However, that is completely optional. You absolutely do not have to carry a heavy laptop everywhere you go. You can edit, add effects, and render the entire video right here on the app. In fact, that's exactly what I am doing today. This whole video was edited and exported completely on my iPad. So go ahead and explore these tools for yourself. I am going to finish rendering this video right now. Hello Team GoRhythm, welcome back. Today we are tackling a super interesting and essential skill on the AutoCAD iPad app, isometric drawing. If you learned something new today, make sure to hit that like button. Keep designing, keep creating, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.